So what's up mga homies? So ito, bare months na. Papasok na yung mga promo namin. So ito ngayon, may bago na naman tayong project ngayon. Ito yung bagong GR86. So sa Notorious, kami lang ang malakas. Dahil kami lang ang mga gumagawa nitong mga sports car na ganito. So ito na rin ginawa natin. So gumawa tayo ng custom muffler, tapos HKS muffler tip para dito sa GR86. So ito na yung pinaka-exhaust niya. So gumamit tayo ng dalawang custom muffler, tapos 2.5 pipings, resonator, tapos yung pinaka J-pipe niya, diniretso na natin. Tapos nagtanggal na rin tayo ng catalytic. So andyan na, kinabit na natin yung headers. Ito yung mga stock parts niya. So yun. So ngayon, pakinggan na natin kung magiging tunog niya.
Take one, going fast for the day, yeah. Same song, keep it on replay, yeah. Shorty in my line, told me set up the date, yeah. On my Austin Powers, baby, oh, beat, hey. Told me that she shy, but I know she ain't. Sending pics, sending hints, cause she can't wait. Told me that she shy, but I know you ain't. Know you like to keep it crazy. It ain't no fun with the lights off. Girl, I wanna see it all when we touchin'. Grabbing on my chain like you love it, yeah. Diamonds breaking like they go pink, pink. I'm up, you good, straight to sleep, sleep. You should come up with a real one, yeah. I know how to make that body sing, sing. She just wanna ball like the NBA, yeah. Know she bad, yeah, she know she crazy. Look so good, had to catch my face, yeah. Look so good, had to catch this way, yeah. She with my style, love it how I get down, yeah. Say she feelin' down, yeah. I know you feelin' down, yeah. It ain't no fun with the lights off. Girl, I wanna see it all when we touch it. Grabbing on my chain like.
So what's up mga homies? So ito na yung ginawa natin na GR86, no? So nilagyan natin siya ng Datatec filter, tapos custom made filter natin, tapos nakakabit pa rin yung map sensor. Nilagyan din natin siya ng custom headers na gawa natin. So ito na yung headers niya at nakakabit pa rin yung mga autobang sensor niya. So ngayon, pakinggan natin kung ano magiging tunog niya.
Diamonds breaking like they go pink, pink.
So madam, kamusta po? Kamusta? Tiga saan po kayo, ma'am?
Tiga Tondo po, Tondo, Manila.
Tondo, Manila. Ganda ng 86 nyo, no?
Sobra po, taga-laminita yan.
So, ano po, tawag dito, kamusta po yung pinagawa nyo ng headers, intake, exhaust?
Sobrang solid po, yung natry kanino, kinilabutan ako eh. Ganda talaga, sabi, worth it lahat.
Okay. So, tuwan-tuwa po si madam. So, nakakatawa naman po. So, baka may gusto po kayo i-shoutout.
Shoutout pala dyan sa nanay ko, tatay ko, kuya ko, ate Cristel, kuya Nes, ate Nadine, sa baby ko, hi. Kahidlaw Resort.
Okay, thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
You good, straight to sleep, sleep. You should come with a real one, yeah. I know how to make that body sing, sing. Diamonds breaking like